Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Verdansk. To begin, your main goal is to be the last team alive in a battle royale match. Verdansk is a massive map, roughly 9 square kilometers, featuring many distinct areas like downtown and the dam. If you are eliminated early, you get one chance to fight in the Gulag for redeployment. Winning that 1-versus-1 fight sends you back into the action, giving your squad another opportunity to secure victory. Next, let's talk about your gear. Selecting the right loadout is crucial for success. You'll want a reliable primary weapon, perhaps an assault rifle for versatility or a sniper for long-range engagements. Pair it with a secondary weapon, like a pistol for quick swaps or a shotgun for close quarters. Don't forget tactical equipment, such as stun grenades, and lethal equipment like frag grenades to gain an edge. Finally, choose 3 perks to boost your abilities, like Overkill or Ghost. Effective movement and positioning are key to survival. Always use cover, like buildings or natural terrain, to protect yourself from incoming fire. Pay close attention to the shrinking gas circle and plan your rotations early to avoid taking damage. Verdansk is vast, so consider using vehicles, such as ATVs or helicopters, to cover long distances quickly. Securing high ground, like rooftops or hills, often provides a significant tactical advantage, offering better sightlines over your opponents. Finally, teamwork and clear communication are paramount in Verdansk. Always call out enemy positions, their numbers, and any relevant information to your squad mates. Sharing resources, such as extra armor plates or ammunition, ensures everyone is well equipped. If a teammate is downed, prioritize reviving them to maintain your squad's full fighting strength. Coordinating your pushes and defensive strategies, perhaps a 2-on-2 split, will significantly increase your chances of being the last squad standing and claiming victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.